Good morning. I just wanted to touch base with you guys to show you how to check your grades. And as we're getting into the last week of the course here, I wanted to make sure that you guys were able to access those to take a look to see if you're missing anything. Because this last week you will be able to catch up any discussions or quizzes that you may need to have turned in. Okay, so how you do that is, of course, sign into your Blackboard. You'll land here and see that I posted a brand new announcement for Unit 8. Then as you come over to this menu bar here, you're going to scroll down to My Grades. You'll click that. And here you will see a list. This will show your total grade here. And then you'll be able to see the grades that you have received throughout the course. Now, once you get in here, if there are any zeros listed, then that means that that piece of information has not been completed. You can come in here and view the rubric for this particular piece, or you are able to at least see whether or not you handed in these assignments by looking at this over here. Okay, so please be certain to go through this and check it out before the end of the week. See if there's anything missing, anything that needs to be done. And of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out via email or by phone this week. I will be available most evenings until 7 p.m. But I look forward to spending our last week together and getting you guys to a point where you guys feel comfortable in ending the course. So keep up the great work.